Hey there, foodies and curious minds. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of Korean cuisine and exploring a classic dish that's both delicious and intriguing. I'm your host, Your Name, and in this video, we're going to uncover the secrets and unknown facts about a beloved Korean dish, Gyeran Mari. But wait, if you're wondering what Gyeran Mari is, don't worry, we've got you covered. Gyeran Mari, also known as Korean rolled omelette or egg roll, is a delightful dish that's commonly enjoyed as a side dish or even as a quick snack in South Korea. It's not just an omelette, it's a culinary masterpiece. So, let's start unraveling the lesser-known facts about this eggy delight. Gyeran Mari origins. Have you ever wondered about the origins of Gyeran Mari? Well, it's believed that this dish draws its inspiration from Japanese cuisine, particularly Tamagoyaki, which is a rolled omelette in Japan. However, Koreans have put their own unique spin on it, infusing it with local flavors and ingredients. Culinary artistry. Gyeran Mari isn't just about taste, it's about artistry. Korean cooks take immense pride in creating beautifully rolled omelettes that are not only delicious but also visually appealing. Achieving the perfect roll takes skill, patience, and precision. As you can see, each step is crucial, from the precise pouring of the egg mixture to the careful rolling using specialized tools. The result? A stunning spiral pattern that's a feast for the eyes. Versatility. Let's talk versatility, shall we? Gyeran Mari isn't limited to a single flavor profile. While the classic version includes eggs, green onions, and sometimes carrots, creative cooks have taken this dish to new heights. You'll find variations with cheese, ham, mushrooms, and even seafood, all rolled up into this delightful package. Breakfast on the go. All about convenience. In Korea, Gyeran Mari is often enjoyed as a quick and convenient breakfast option. In fact, street vendors and cafes serve up portable Gyeran Mari rolls, making it a popular choice for those bustling mornings. Just imagine starting your day with a warm, flavorful roll of Gyeran Mari. It's like a comforting hug for your taste buds. Symbolism. In Korean culture, eggs are often associated with new beginnings and prosperity. This symbolic meaning makes Gyeran Mari a popular dish during celebrations and important life events, such as birthdays and weddings. Cooking techniques. Did you know that there are different cooking techniques to achieve that perfect Gyeran Mari roll? While the traditional method involves a rectangular pan and skilled flipping, there's also a circular mold technique that results in a spiral within a circle. It's like a work of culinary art. Whether you prefer the classic rectangular or the innovative circular method, mastering these techniques takes practice and finesse. Influences on flavor. Gyeran Mari's flavor can be influenced by various factors. The type of oil used, the seasoning choices, and even the freshness of the eggs can all impact the taste. That's why every Gyeran Mari can offer a slightly unique flavor experience. Nutritional value. Gyeran Mari isn't just a treat for your taste buds, it's also a great source of nutrition. Eggs are rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals, making Gyeran Mari a wholesome option to start your day or satisfy your cravings. Now you can enjoy this dish guilt-free, knowing that it's not only delicious but also nourishing. Regional variations. Just like any other beloved dish, Gyeran Mari has regional variations across South Korea. Depending on the region, you might find different fillings, seasonings, or even unique folding techniques that make each version special. Exploring these regional twists on Gyeran Mari can be a delightful way to experience the diverse flavors of Korea. Cultural significance. Last but not least, Gyeran Mari's cultural significance goes beyond just being a tasty treat. In Korean households, making Gyeran Mari is often a shared experience among family members, and it's considered a way to strengthen bonds and create cherished memories. Whether it's a mother teaching her child or a group of friends cooking together, Gyeran Mari has the power to bring people closer. And there you have it, a plate full of more fascinating facts about Korean Gyeran Mari. From cooking techniques to flavor influences, nutritional value, regional variations, and cultural significance, this dish continues to amaze us with its depth. If you're as captivated by culinary exploration as we are, Make sure to hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more delightful dives into the world of food and culture. Until next time, keep rolling with curiosity and keep indulging in the wonders of cuisine. See you soon!